Guys, happy Fursuit Friday. Harrington here. So, if you've been on TikTok at all, then I bet you've seen these things. Raptor Masks have taken off in popularity recently, and they've allowed a new wave of cosplayers and craftsmen to enter the hobby. This week, what we're going to do is take a quick look at what makes these masks so popular, and see if it's something to look into purchasing for yourself. So, sit down, relax, and let's get right into it. These Raptor masks are merchandise from the Jurassic World films. They are dinosaur face masks featuring a moving jaw. And there were both Raptor and T-Rex variants, both based on the dinosaurs from the movies. You could find these mostly big box retailers like Target and obviously online. They usually went for about $13 US. The cosplay community wasted no time running with the ball on this one. When given a face to work from, the community showed how creative they could really be, from adding creative colors and patterns and eyes to building whole suits around these masks. There's a lot that you can do with them. And so it's led a new generation of creators and performers into the hobby. I actually bought a few of these masks out of curiosity, and I had a blast painting these up and putting the eyes in. Now this video isn't actually meant to be a tutorial at all. So there is somebody who knows way more about this stuff than I do, and I'm going to put a link down to their stuff in the description below. But they'll show you how to do just about anything with these. So there's going to be a link in the description, so make sure you check that out. If you're looking to get started fursuiting and you don't have a huge budget, I can highly recommend these if you want to design a reptilian or draconic character. So that's going to be all for this week's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Next time, we're going to examine another low-budget option for our more mammalian-inclined characters. So make sure you're tuning in next week so that you catch our quick look at Maskimals. Until then, make sure you like the video and subscribe so you don't miss it. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye!